Welcome to the online class. As in earlier video, we discussed how to make wall hanging and then half of them we will complete today. Now let's see. Student, in last video we have done that. Now these three, whatever we have pasted, now we will paste it like this. Okay. Now let's see. Student, after pasting it, okay, now we will paste this flower. I have made 9 flower and then I will paste it one by one, and as I told you how we will make these flowers. Okay, and then last means 9 we have to make, students. Okay, so as you can see, now we will make this one downwards, we will paste it. Okay, so see how will you make it. Okay, we will take this woolen and hold it in our hand, and now we will do this. Okay, now how much you want, we will cut it and hold it and hold it like that, and then we will cut it this one, cut it. Now we will hold it like that and take one and then okay, make one knot. So as you can see, so how much we need to make? 1, this I have done already. Okay, 2 and 3. Now I am going to make 3. Again we will take it and then do like that. This is the easy way to make it. Otherwise you can use other things for make it. Okay, now take out, use the scissor, cut it, and you can use last ribbon, you can use it for folding. Okay, if you have done, then use glue and paste it. Okay, now we will take big ribbon for pasting it, as you how much you want. like this till here. So we will take 3. So we will take 3, 1, 2, and then 3. 1, 2, and then my 3. So what I will do, I will take it. So students, now we will take it. In the last hole. Using the pen, we will make a space. See students, like this. Okay, we will make one knot. Okay, as you can see, now I'm going to do next. I will take this one. What I will do, I will take first one, okay, and the last one. As you can see, it will cover the whole portion. Okay, now next, now in last one, again we will do this. As I told you, okay. Now I'm going to paste it. Okay. Okay, now in last, what we will do, cut it, the extra. Students, it will take time. Okay. Okay, and in last here you will put one for hanging. Okay, this one. So students, as you can see in it, okay, as you can see, like this way you will make for your home. So students, as I shown you your wall hanging today we have done. So in next video we will start a new thing. Okay, and this wall hanging you have to do at your home, complete it and send me in your WhatsApp. Okay, thank you for watching.